so did you see my Facebook post last week?
I did.
I think
it almost made me cry.
He doesn't cry. He found his feelings, but he doesn't cry. So, but I think I made a few people nervous, and I had a lot of text messages and comments wanting to know what's going on. So here we are. We're gonna finally sort of
get to the point.
It's funny, you'll see why in a second. So let's back up and introduce ourselves. The introduction is going to be the announcement that everyone's been waiting for. Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hello, hello, hello. That part hasn't changed. I am Stephanie Deeds, and this is
John Deeds.
That hasn't changed either. And we are the Deeds Group. That hasn't changed. At the Deeds Group at?
I don't know.
You don't want to tell them?
At where? No.
You don't want to tell them?
No, sure.
We're the Deeds Group at Point Realty. Have you ever heard of Point Realty?
I have not yet.
Well, then we made it up. Yeah. You've heard of it because we made it up. But you haven't heard of it because we made it up. So we have started our own brokerage called Point Realty. I have to show you this because we're real proud of it. This is our new for sale sign. We get to use it for the first time very soon in the next few days. We're very excited to put it in front of someone's home. But we have started our own brokerage. You are looking at the co-owners and broker. Did you know I got my broker's license?
I know.
Yeah.
It was a long process.
He was there for every minute. No, so we are very excited to tell you that we have started our own brokerage. So we're going to try to make this video short and sweet, which I know that you guys know I'm terrible at, and it's already longer than it was supposed to be. But we are going to roll out more and more and more information, like where we're standing. Bet you don't know where we're standing, but I can't wait to tell you, and more information about the brokerage and the logo and what we're planning to do and why we're here and all the things. So just stay tuned for future videos and future information because we are going to roll it out slowly. And I am going to try to wrap up this not short video that I was supposed to be doing.
Yes.
Are you excited?
I'm proud of you and I'm excited.
Are you excited? I'm excited. We're very excited about this new journey. We appreciate and are so thankful and grateful for you for going on it with us. And we will talk to you soon with more information. Have a great weekend, everyone.